Hello and welcome to rendering AutoCAD drawings in Photoshop, where you will learn how to convert this CAD floor plan into this beautiful one. My name is Youssef Zidan, graphic designer, and I will be leading you through the course. I graduated from Faculty of Fine Arts as an interior designer, but soon transitioned to graphic design, where I found my passion. I worked as a graphic designer for more than 5 years. Then I thought it would be great to share my knowledge online. By the end of this course, you will be able to render any kind of CAD drawings, not just floor plans. We will start our journey in AutoCAD. I will teach you how to export our drawings with the right scale and extension in order to open it inside Photoshop, where the fun begins. We will start by learning the tools and options we are going to use. Then we will learn some useful techniques like how to make a seamless pattern, using gradients, blending modes, and much more. After that, we will use what we have learned to make our final design. The ideal students for this course are graphic designers who want to learn a new skill, or of course interior designers and architects. You need to have a light background in Photoshop. If you have a background in AutoCAD, that will be great, but not necessary, because in our course we will be focusing inside Photoshop. Feel free to watch the free lectures, and I will look forward to see you inside.